everyone, it's Miss Jenny. We're going to do a little fun science experiment today. We're going to make a lava lamp. Hopefully it works. You're going to need a clear glass with a little bit of water. I just raised mine up so you can see it better, but you don't need to have it on a bowl. And then we're going to put some oil in it. Now, oil, when you mix it with water, the oil will rise to the top. So you can see how it's separated. We've got the water on the bottom and the oil floats on the top. So to make it a little easier to see, I'm going to put a couple drops of food coloring. You can see how they just kind of sink down. They're suspended in the oil for a little while. Eventually they would drip down, but for now they're suspended. I'm not going to put too much food coloring because it kind of got too dark last time. Now, typically you're supposed to use Alka-Seltzer, but Alka-Seltzer costs more money than this one. So I bought this cheap version, and it's a powder instead of Alka-Seltzer as like a tablet. I think the tablet would have worked better, but it still works a little bit with the powder. So we're going to try it. So when I put this powder in, it's going to sink to the bottom, and the powder has something called bicarbonate of soda in it, which makes bubbles and fizzes. So as that fizzes up, it's going to carry some of the water up to the top. It's going to come back down, and it's going to keep going around and around in a circle and look pretty cool. So I'm going to pour it in, and then my cameraman's going to zoom in on it, and you can see it start to bubble up. Pretty soon the colors will start blending. There we go. Looks pretty cool, right? You see it?
Yeah, I'm seeing it, but I'm not sure what I'm seeing.
Yeah, it takes a little while, and then it gets a little bit bigger bubbles. Over here we've got some good action going here. I wonder, let's see what happens if I put another one in there.
Oh no.
See if we can really get it bubbly. I've done this with Alka-Seltzer, and it does work better, so I'm a little disappointed, but hey, that's science sometimes. You have to figure out how to make it work the best.
It's mostly blue, isn't it?
Yeah, you can see some little bubbles coming up.
Yeah, I think you should put more red in. Like, just at the top you can kind of see a purple, but at the top of the fizz you can see purple. But
Yeah. Let's see.
oh, looks like just poured ketchup in.
There, it's starting to separate a little bit again. Even if it's not exactly like I thought, it's still being pretty cool. You can still see the bubbles coming up. I think if you do it with Alka-Seltzer, you'll have some different effects. Maybe I'll have to do Lava Lamp Part 2 and splurge for the big money Alka-Seltzer. Check back later to see the experiment again. Bye.